on Wix. There's a whole lot of cool stuff on here, but you really have to know how to use your site. There is traffic load simulator. It also tells exactly how many countries your website will pop up in. I didn't realize that we were actually bringing in this much traffic. We were getting 1 million a day in traffic. Didn't realize that. This is good because now this is something that we can go back and we can show people who potentially want to pay us to advertise on our website, because we literally get that much traffic that pulls through our site. I got a few people who actually offered to pay to be advertised on our site because our traffic on our site is really, really good. Perfecting my craft.